Doing this for everybody to get something back, maybe bring you a better life. I'm Carl Crous. I'm the owner of CNC Crushers. We operate here from Voorshaft in Klerksdorp area in South Africa. There's a lot of poverty here in Kuma. These people that we use here today, I collect them from the street and learn them in their jobs. The guys won't become millionaires, but they will have food on the table. Me and them start together because as a farmer, I didn't know anything about crushing. And this is where we are today. We took the waste rock from the gold mines. We put it through a jaw crusher, through a screen, and then it come to a cone crusher, and then to screens, and where we separate the different sizes from sand to 19mm stone. We put it in the market for a good price. If I sell a product here to a guy that got millions in the bank and the guy that don't have money in the bank, the product must stay the same. It must be the same quality. It mustn't be a cheaper quality or a weaker product. We must sell a good quality product to the guy that can't afford it, so he can get a proper house. That make a difference to people's lives. I can't say how proud I am. We rehabilitate. We put food on the table for people that's working here. And that's the reason why I'm so happy to be connected with Weir Minerals that helping us to make a difference to the world. To have Weir Minerals for our backup, the lifespan is there. If we can get rocks, we can crush, and the people can make a living.